by changing my access modifiers on my fields from public to private, I have done two things. First of all, I've actually changed how these should be named. This naming convention is no longer appropriate. And the second thing that's happened is I can no longer reach into his internals. I can no longer access his data because name is now a private member and it's not exposed by the class. If I were to try to compile this program, I get name is inaccessible due to its protection level, because I've now made name private. So that's nice. But let's fix the first problem first. The first problem is that this naming convention is no longer appropriate. Sorry, I glanced over into chat. That was a bad idea. This naming convention is no longer appropriate. When you have private fields, they are named differently than when you have public fields.